Hello everyone. Tashena Lynette with VidActiva, your favorite holistic business coach. And I'm back today. I'm so excited and proud of myself. Honestly, I really didn't want to do it, but I'm like, come on, you gotta push yourself and do it. Because there's so many good topics this month that I need to come back and share with you guys about the monthly wellness topics like stomach cancer and lung cancer and Alzheimer's. So I'm like, let me get this unboxing out of the way so I can start doing some clear topics. But as usual, as you hop on here, give me a wave, a hi, hello. Let me know what city, state, or country you're watching me from. And if you're watching it later, hashtag replay. So my November box is already here, health and wellness box. And of course, it's got some specialized things specific to me, but make sure that if you're watching me, you are doing your scans on a regular basis. A lot of things popped up on my scan for some reproductive health and digestive health. And of course, the second Monday of every month, we do our 14-day reset with the red juice. And so I had to make sure I was stacked up on that. So first on the list that was on my scan, EndoGize. So EndoGize is a supplement that's designed specifically to support a healthy and balanced endocrine system, which is essential for maintaining hormone balance and overall energy levels. Packed with natural ingredients and essential oils, EndoGize can be an excellent addition to your health regimen. Also on my scan was Digize and Cleanse. So this dietary supplement is formulated to soothe gastrointestinal upset and support healthy digestion. It utilizes the power of essential oils like peppermint, which is known for its digestive benefits, as well as caraway, which aids in digestive comfort. Clove essential oil. This is one I grabbed because I need some oral support actually. Clove essential oil is a powerhouse known for its antioxidant properties. Clove supports overall wellness and adds a rich, spicy aroma to any space. You can diffuse it for a comforting environment or the vitality you can use in your daily oral care routine. And then the Ninja Red Loyalty Rewards packet, which is 4 bottles of the red juice and 30 packets, which makes it so convenient and perfect for on the go. Packed with wolfberry, blueberry, and plum, Ninja Red supports overall wellness, promotes energy, and provides an antioxidant mood. Helps with your mood, helps with sleep. It does all the things. Clinically proven to do all that, y'all. When you bundle up through your loyalty rewards, you ensure that you're receiving these benefits every month with exclusive savings. So this is the most economical way to get it. Next, one thing I wanted, Mira Shave Oil. This luxurious blend of essential oils, emollients, and natural moisture-rich ingredients ensures a silky smooth shave. It helps to hydrate the skin and makes shaving easier and more comfortable. And now we will dive into the freebies that I got for maximizing my health and wellness box. So first we got Digize Essential Oil Blend. Digize Essential Oil Blend is the go-to for digestive support. Digize combines tarragon, ginger, peppermint, and other potent oils to help relax the digestive system and comfort the stomach, especially after meals. Abundance. Ooh, one of my favorites. So, this exotic blend contains essential oils that were used by ancient cultures to attract success and magnify joy and peace. So, I love it. It's very attracting. When I wear this, people like run up to me. Like seriously, it'd be crazy. It'd be crazy. And last but not least, I also got free. I got some of these last month, but I'm glad to have more for free. Alkaline stick packs. These are perfect for managing the body's pH and balance and providing essential minerals. They're easy to use on the go and promote a balanced internal environment, which is crucial for overall wellness. And that quick and dirty is what I want to share with you guys, my November health and wellness box. So be sure to share with me what you guys all got, and hopefully I'll see you in 7 days or less with another health topic, deep diving into some of the health and wellness months, days that are available for this month. All right. And again, don't forget to say hi, wave, hello, let me know what city, state, or country you're watching from. Hashtag replay if you come back later. Thank you guys. Bye.